Saturday, April 19th, after several weeks of mid 70s, close to 80 weather. Colorado, this is what happens in a day. Problem with that, these colonies are building up, and so they think it's warm out, and so they try to fly, and they can't. They end up in the snow and chilled. Yep, they try flying, they get disoriented in the snow. They'll actually fly upside down, right down into the snow. Even hives with snow built up, they're finding their way through. The heat is melting these fronts. So many bees in there, it's like a chimney. Turkeys aren't happy either. A lot of these bees fly down and drown. These could be bees that died inside that the undertakers are pushing out. They want out so bad. But the sun's getting ready to come out. We'll be back to 70s and 80s next week.